This is the Toshiba Portégé Z10t. This is one of our detachable laptops featuring latest Intel Core i5 and Core i7 processor technology. And the concept and the nice thing behind that one is that from the keyboard with an easy snap you can detach the tablet unit, and as you see of the thinness of the keyboard device and of the lightness, we included all the performance components like the SSD, like the LTE module. Everything is included in the tablet unit. Beside that, of course, on the keyboard, which features an acupoint, a full touchpad, a backlit keyboard, which is also spill resistant. So all the features you know from our Portégé range. Another USB port, RGB for beamers, HDMI, and of course gigabit LANs, which is very important for professionals. On the tablet unit itself, as you see, it's a 300 nit Full HD IPS display where we attached a special foil on the top to make it matte. Also, this matte foil has the nice behavior that the experience while touching is pretty smooth, so feels all the same all over. And the next good thing on that one is that by that foil we can easily, or the writing behavior on that screen is really very, very good. So it's really great. What is really cool on that device is also in the tablet mode you have the most important ports. So this is here a full SD card slot. On the LTE versions you have there on top the SIM card slot. You have the micro HDMI, a full USB 3 port, the common mic and headphone ports, and all the important ports on this side. On the back, of course, you have some speakers and the connectors, and on the top you simply see the fan, which you basically cannot cover when you're holding it this way. In terms of the operating system, we're delivering that device with the normal Windows 8 Professional, and so it's a full unlimited professional device which you can use especially in companies or when you're on the move, with about 5 to 6 hours battery life, of course, depending on the usage scenario. I think it's also a very good device, and with 1.5 kilogram it really fits everywhere. Also from the specification point of view, it's fully Ultrabook compatible, so we're really convinced this is a perfect device for creatives, for professionals who appreciate the synergy of a normal keyboard, of the touchpad, of the acupoint, of the 10-finger touch input, and also of the digitizer pen there. With the Z10t, most of the units have the digitizer units inside, and if you have a digitizer you get two different pans. So first is the full pan, which you have the normal one, which is in the back, and also basically if you forgot that, for example, we have in the chassis an emergency pan. So even though that one is forgotten, you can simply use that. From the function point of view, it's basically all the same. And in terms of typing, for example, I'll just make an example. Just put it here. Also the handwriting recognition is pretty fast and pretty precise. So I think it's a really good product. Beside which one? I think it's really cool. Of course, that one you can simply copy to put to your Outlook, etc., etc.